Cox. Andrea Cox here with AndreaCox.com. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Why am I sitting in front of a big pile of dirt? Well, this beautiful organic biosalt-free soil was delivered today in Las Vegas, Nevada at my home from Vero Grow. Now, Vero Grow they've got the best dirt around. The biosalts are made from sewage, and so when they remove the biosalts, there's no sewage mixed in with this soil, and I really, really love that. Let me just show you how beautiful this soil is. You can see the beautiful rich color, nice and dark next to my fuchsia nails. And I'm about to not wheelbarrow, because I don't have a wheelbarrow. I don't even have a shovel. I left my shovel at my old house. I'm about to bucket this over by myself into my 4 garden beds and then my succulent bed. And you know, I've always had a garden. My grandma Lagolda grew, I would say, 85% of her own food, and she would walk to the Super Value store in Lewisburg, Ohio, maybe every 2 to 3 weeks to get, her other products that weren't fruits and vegetables, and the rest she grew herself. And that's how I learned to garden. And last year, after I had moved here, I had my girlfriend that owns Aloha Temecula Farms. We built my garden beds together. I had her take them apart, and we took them apart together in Carlsbad, and she drove them out here along with my house plants and planted my garden for me, and I miss her so much. And I had a beautiful garden for about 5 months. And then Roger, my rescue dog, got sick, and when he got sick, I was unable to plant a garden. My heart wasn't into even going outside. I wanted to spend every moment I could with him. I didn't even actually work most of that time. But now it's gardening time, and this organic soil is just absolutely beautiful. And I'm so excited to get started on this, and I'm so excited to share more gardening videos on this channel with you in the upcoming months. So, as luck would have it, my girlfriend sent me seeds for my birthday. I have a birthday coming up, little Pisces birthday, March 19th. She sent me organic non-GMO corn. She sent me my favorite, which is okra. She sent me radishes, and radishes do really well in desert soil. I noticed that the big long white radishes, not the short red ones, actually grew the best for me last year. Carrots do really well, beets do really well. She sent me pumpkins, seeds for organic pumpkins, and of course sunflowers, because she knows I love sunflowers, and roses. Roses don't do the best here, I've noticed, but maybe the sunflowers will. The dogs are excited for the garden. Little Lewis is out here. He's going to help me. Maverick would run through the soil. He's already tried to do that twice. So I'm going to get started. And would you do me a favor? After you subscribe to this channel, hop on over to my website, AndreaCox.com, and subscribe to my newsletter there. And I'll be sharing with you when I post my garden videos like this. It's going to be a lot of work, especially since I'm using a dustpan and a bucket, but if anyone can get it done, I can get it done. I love you guys so much. Talk soon. Oh, also, the updated retreat. So I just ran a retreat in downtown Las Vegas, beautiful resort that has a vegan menu in every restaurant in the resort. And we have updated the 2022 dates. The next retreat is in October, so I'm announcing it here, so it will probably be booked by literally tomorrow. So definitely, if you're interested in that, check it out on AndreaCox.com. Just click retreats. We've redone the website, so it's really easy to navigate for you. Thanks. Bye.